Greetings all, in today's video we going to show you how to install Windows Sandbox. So Windows Sandbox is a new desktop environment for the safely running of malicious applications, or to test applications in isolation. Any software installed in Windows Sandbox stays only in the sandbox, and once Windows Sandbox is closed, all the software with all its files are permanently deleted. Windows Sandbox requires AMD 64 architecture, with at least 4 GB of RAM, and 1 GB of free disk space, and requires 2 CPU cores, 4 cores with hyper-threading recommended. Windows Sandbox comes as part of Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise, so to install Windows Sandbox first, we need to enable virtualization in BIOS. After that, open Windows Features, and select Windows Sandbox. Select OK to install Windows Sandbox. Now you need to restart the computer. So after the restart, use the Start menu to find Windows Sandbox, and run it. It looks and works the same way as Windows 10. You can copy an executable file and paste the file in the Windows Sandbox. Now we can run it, and if you're using an installer, go ahead and install it. As you can see, the app works perfectly fine. When you're done, you can simply close the Windows Sandbox application. All Sandbox content will be permanently deleted. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoy my video, consider subscribing and like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.